Hey guys, Jake, don't worry, I haven't bought the movie, so I'd be happy to do the other movie. I don't really, yeah, whatever you want. Um, what cartoon do I like? Avatar. Although I do find that Foster's Home is quite amusing, and I totally agree with you. But I originally was like Avatar. That looks like a really stupid, awful show. It just something about it, something about the way it was being sold. It just struck me as stupid. And then my friend was like, "No, no, I hear it's really good." And I was like, "Eh." So he decides to put on, and I watched the first couple episodes, and turns out it's amazing. It kind of has a similar feel to Naruto, but I think it's better written. It's funnier. I don't know whether I like the animation style more or less. I think I do like the animation style. It's not groundbreaking or anything. I mean, it's basically American anime, but it's really funny. Like it shouldn't be as funny as it is. I'm laughing out loud to a lot of the stuff that happens in that show, and it makes me be like, "Ooh." And my girlfriend loves it, and most of the people I know really like it. So there you go, Avatar. I am so behind in work. I don't read online comics anymore. I'm working on SolidWorks right now. My tablet's been fun. I've been playing with this guy, and I got a frog pad, which is a keyboard that is like a one-handed, left-handed keyboard. So you have to kind of relearn how to type. But it's cool. That's not where the poster is. The poster's here. Bioshock 2 poster, replacing the Naruto poster because I don't know. I didn't really like the poster anymore. Stop dissecting my models. I have to eat dinner. I've got stuff to do. Neil, I feel bad. I really do because I was pretty sure you asked a question. Something about I don't know. I agree with Jake that we should do a more in-depth review of Watchmen when it comes out on DVD. I agree with most of the things you said about the movie. Um, so that should be interesting when we actually get to it. 1984. I have read it once in like 8th grade, and then I wrote several book reviews on it like through high school. So it's one of those books that you only really need to read once, and then you can write a bunch of papers on it. But I feel like I will need to read it again if we're going to do a book review on it, because honestly, it's a book with 3 chapters, and as far as I can remember, the entire middle chapter was just the two main characters having sex. And I think there was probably more. There's them having sex and him reading a book. And I think there was probably more subtlety going on and a lot of things that I didn't pick up on in my 8th grade mind than just those two things, because that's like a third of the book. So I am in favor of it. Keep in mind I'm dyslexic, which means I will read very slowly. Also, I don't think I have it with me at school, so I'll have to buy it. Um, but I'm in favor of doing it. So if you can get the movie, I believe I suggested Alien. And most likely my second suggestion for like after Alien is going to be Aliens. So I think that those are two movies that are very unique and very awesome. So I know we're not even close to there yet, but that's the direction I want to head in for my stuff, because I think that there's a lot of like, one of them is a great like groundbreaking horror film, the other is a groundbreaking action film, in my opinion. Even though like they were both released when I was either non-born or yay high. I was the size of a chinchilla. I'm sorry, that's not right. Chinchillas are bigger. Of a, was it a guinea pig? That's what I meant. I'm probably not talking loud enough. My question for you guys is, what is the most annoying noise that you can make with your mouth? Mine would probably be so. Let me know. Bye.